Welcome to day 4 of the series called 12 Days of Interior Plants Design. If you want to watch day 1, 2, and 3, the links are in the description box. In day 4, I will be showing you how watching interior plants designs can inspire ways to decorate your home with plants. The theme for day 4 is Bold Eclectic. This design can be used in any room in your home, any time of the year. Here's the empty space. It is a corner area in my living room that gets very little light. In this interior plant design, I'm going to be using 5 indoor house plants. So let's get started designing this space with houseplants. First, I'm going to be adding this rug. Here it is on the floor. Because it's a corner space, I decided to slant it. To create an interior plant wall design, I decided to hang one of the plants on the wall. Here is the planter and a plate hanger that I will be using to hang the plant. This is a self-watering pot that can be hung on a wall. To give it more support, I decided to mount it to a plate holder. Here's how I did it. This is how it looks attached to the plate holder. Here it is on the wall. Next, I will be hanging these 2 beautiful wall sconces with candle holders. I will place one on each side of the hanging planter. Next, here's the plant that will go in the planter on the wall. This is a silver satin pothos. Here it is in the hanging planter. I love the look of that wall so far. Next, I will be using this garland bead to decorate 3 tall round white planters. Here are the 3 tall planters. I placed a string of the red garland beads around the top of 2 planters. Then I placed a string of gold garland beads around the other planter. I wanted to elevate the 3 planters, so I used 2 gold vases and 3 different heights black candle holders to achieve the look I wanted. Here the vases and candle holders are ready for the planters. Here you can see all 3 round white planters are different heights. I love it. I will place 1 chair in the design. Now I will add a table to the design and place it beside the chair. Here's the first plant that will go into the planters. It's a lemon lime Dracaena. Here's the second plant that will go into the planter. It's also a lemon lime Dracaena. Here's the third plant that will be placed in the planter. It's called an umbrella plant, better known as a Schefflera. All three plants look beautiful in the planters. Here's a silver pothos plant that is looking good. Now, I'm about to place a silver pothos plant on the small table that's sitting beside the chair. I will also place a candle and 2 books on the table. Now, I will place a pillow on the chair. Now back to the wall sconces. I will place 1 decorative candle on each one. Now for the completed interior plants design in this beautiful corner. Please subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.